Okay, so we've learned how to differentiate natural logarithms, that is, logarithms with base e. But what about logarithms with different bases, say for example here with base 2? Well, what we need to do is we need to remember how to change the base of a logarithm. Now in the previous chapter we saw that if I've got log base ax, I can convert this to log base bx by dividing through by log base b a. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. We're going to convert this logarithm, log base 2x, into log base ex, in other words, the natural log. So the way we're going to do that is we write log base ex divided by log base e2. And this thing is more conveniently written as ln x divided by ln 2. Now guys, the point I want you to see here is that this thing, ln 2, this is just a number. Okay, that's what it is. This is just a number, a constant. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so perhaps a better way to rewrite this expression is to say that this is 1 upon ln 2 times by ln x. So that when we differentiate this, then the 1 upon ln 2 remains unchanged because that's just a constant. So we get 1 upon ln 2. But then when we differentiate the ln x, what we're going to get is 1 upon x. So our final answer here is going to be 1 divided by ln 2 times by x. Okay, so that's how we differentiate that. Okay, well let's go to another example. Let's say here we've got log base 3 of x squared. Well, we just remember again that we're going to be changing the base of this logarithm. So what we've got here is log base e x squared over log base e3. And we're going to rewrite this in a more familiar way. We're going to say this is ln x squared divided by ln 3. Okay, because log base e just means ln. And I'm probably going to rewrite this as well. I'm going to use my power rule. If we remember from before, if I've got log of a to the power of p, I can rewrite that as p times by log a. So instead of having ln x squared here, what I'm going to write is 2 times by ln x. And remember, the ln 3 is just a constant, so I can rewrite that over here. So I've got 2 upon ln 3 times by ln x. Now what's the key thing to remember? This thing here, this is just a constant. That is just a number. So when we differentiate, that thing is going to remain unchanged. So if I write y prime, we're going to have 2 upon ln 3. That's going to be the same. And if I differentiate the ln x, I'm going to get 1 upon x. So there we go. We've just differentiated that function as well. Okay guys, so now hopefully you know how to differentiate functions where the logarithm has got a base other than e. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you again next time.